Hello. So if you watched my latest review kit, this was the teddy bear I made from the Bergen and Bath. So it was this one. And I loved it. It was cute. My teddy bear didn't look exactly like their teddy bear, but I loved my teddy bear. And he ended up bigger than their teddy bear. Because, well, you'll have to watch the review, but I liked him. So, in the video, I said that I would make my own teddy bear. Having never made a teddy bear before I did this felting kit. And I would see, I'd use because some of the techniques in the kit were different to the techniques I'd used before. And being as I've not been, it's coming up now, they've probably been felting nearly a year. So, and when you've got children and stuff, you don't have, you know, that sounds a long time, but actually the actual amount of time that you get to felt is, as being a really busy mum, is actually probably not as much as perhaps some people. So I wanted to apply some of the techniques that I was used to or that I'd used before and come up with my own bear. So I did. It took me a couple of weeks with other commitments. So here's my bear. Now he's quite different. There's my bear. So I've done, it looks a bit, it's got longer legs, but there's a reason for that because he's going to hold something. But I don't know whether it's a girl or a boy. But I love the facial expression. It's kind of a little bit cheeky. I did him around a face. I'm calling it a him, so it's going to be a him for now. It's got a round face and bigger eyes. And it's a darker colour. I used World of Wool, Carded Corridale in Grizzly Bear. I love this colour. And it's so soft. And it felt really, really well. I love Corridale wool. It felt beautifully, but I just love the colour. And I did little skinny arms. Actually, when I asked my daughters what they thought, they giggled. My mum's great. She always gives me really good advice on if I'm unsure about anything. I ring my mum or I show my mum and ask her what she thinks. And my daughter thought that she giggled at the feet and said that he looked like he'd walked his feet off. But I love the little skinny arms. It's just, I love it. But they thought his arms were too thin, but I quite like them. My mum giggled and at my daughter's comments, but she loved him too. So there is my bear. Everybody's bear will be different, but that's my bear. But I did him some accessories, and because this one's got a heart and I can't copy, I have to be different. It's just in, because he got a heart, I couldn't do a heart in my head. I was like, I've got to do something different. So I did a little autumn leaf, because we're in autumn now, but Halloween's my autumn and Halloween are my son's favourite times of year. So I did a little autumn leaf. So I know this is a funny angle, but it's going to be sat on a little autumn leaf. It won't sit there now, look, because I've got him in a so he will be sat on the autumn leaf when he's. And then I did him a teeny tiny pumpkin, because pumpkins are my son's favourite thing. So I did him a teeny tiny pumpkin, and he's going to be holding his teeny tiny pumpkin because it's autumn and Halloween, and in this house I have to make pumpkins every year. Well, we tried to grow some, but they didn't work out so well. So that's how my needle felting journey started, with making a pumpkin for my son. So I thought, how fitting. Years previous, I've tried to crochet pumpkins. That's not worked either. Tried to knit a pumpkin. That didn't work. So in previous years, we have we've painted pumpkins for him and things like that. So, little ode to my son. Teeny tiny pumpkin. It's so teeny tiny. I think it's only about, it's just over an inch across. So How tall did my little teddy bear turn out to be? Oh, would help if you got the ruler. So it turned out to be 11 centimetres, so smaller than my other teddy bear. But I love it. My mum's named him Bruno. But then when I put them together, I was like, this looks like Grandad Bear now. And this looks like Mommy Bear. So when they're together. But anyway, I wonder what you think of my little teddy bear. And whether you think the techniques I did were different. The way I did the head was different. And the ears compared to the way they said to do them. Theirs isn't wrong. It's just different techniques to do different things. I did like... obviously the legs are very different because the way that they did their legs, obviously it's different. Yeah, so the techniques are different, but the bears came out, both of them are very lovely, and I love them both. So I hope you like my little teddy bear. Take care, and I shall see you soon. I'll be doing something, hopefully Halloweeny soon for my son, so we'll have a look. I'm not sure which kit review I'm doing next, but we'll... that'll be exciting. We'll see what kits we've got. Take care then, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.